This is a video of my Thomas Wooden Railway destinations and buildings, so please enjoy. Let's start with my sheds. The new style roundhouse, Tidmouth sheds, the old style original 1992 special engine shed, 4 of the newer style with a different roof special engine sheds, work shed, and a Brio transfer table shed. Here are my stations: Elsbridge Station, Elsbridge Platform, 4-pole Nafford Station, Shining Time Station, Wellsworth Station, Hilltop Station, Tidmouth Station, Deluxe Nafford Station, Great Waterton, Maithwaite, and Olstead Station. Here are my off-brand Thomas Wooden Railway stations. This Big Jig station that's called, I believe, Elham Station, and 2, I believe, Brio Station platforms. Here are my signal boxes and signals. The over-the-track signal, Glen Knox Switch Tower, the Stop and Go station, a Mattel signal box with stop sign, Ulstead Castle signal box with stop sign, and a Knapford over-the-track signal. My 2 Wooden Railway pedestrian bridges. My water towers, water refilling tank, and my red water tower. Here are my cranes. Here's Cranky, Colin, the cargo transfer, the yellow Sodor cargo crane, the cargo drop, the rolling gantry crane, Old Wheezy. Here are my non-Thomas Wooden Railway wooden cranes. Here is Clayton the crane from Theodore Tugboat, made by Brio. Here are my bridges, tunnels, and mountains. 2 Sodor Bay bridges, double wide iron bridge, the Archstone Bridge, Tidmouth Covered Bridge, single stone tunnel, Henry's Tunnel, 5 arched viaducts, the lift bridge, the suspension bridge, old style, Muffle Mountain, the mountain tunnel, the Quarry Mine Tunnel, Boulder Mountain, mountain overpass, the toll booth, the suspension bridge, new style, the lighthouse bridge, Morgan's Mine, the elevated crossing, the Crosby Coal Tunnel. Here are my non-Thomas Wooden Railway wooden tunnels. This, I believe, Big Jigs Tunnel. Here are the rest of my other Thomas Wooden Railway buildings. You have the set of 3 buildings, this extra house that came with the Muffle Mountain set, the James Goes Buzz Buzz house, Thomas Comes to Breakfast house, the grist mill, the barrel loader, the log loader, the sawmill, the transfer table, the coal station, Abbey repair shed, the grain loader, the airfield, the dairy farm, the carousel, Mr. Jolly's chocolate factory, the windmill, a lighthouse, the oil derrick, Toby's windmill, the Sodor Airport hangar and runway, Hat Street crossing, the Sodor Steamworks, aka the Repair and Go station, the control tower for the airport, the burning shed from a set, Day of the Diesel set, I forget which one, the diesel fuel depot, the search and rescue center, the Mattel Fire Station, the 3-in-1 destinations. You have the Ice Cream Factory, Marin Station, and the Lumber Co. The Sodor Iron Works, Crosby Coal Loader, another Crosby Coal Loader, the Musical Watermill, I believe it's called, the Bell Tower, the Weather Tracker, Sodor Airship Hangar, and this carrying case, technically, that is half the Sodor Shipping Co. building and Blue Mountain Quarry. And a non-Thomas Wooden Railway destination that I have, that's another brand, is the Dispatcher from Theodore Tugboat. Here are my destinations from sets. The Diesel Works, Ulfstead Castle, the Brending Bay Shipping Set Warehouse and Playtable, Merrick, the Scrapyard Set destinations, the China Clay Pits. Here are my bigger track pieces that are a little bit more special. Here's the Logan Set turntable, the 8-inch turntable, the Roundabout Action turntable, Tidmouth Sheds turntable, the Highway Crossing, another level crossing, the Bumpy Magic Railroad Gold Dust track, the Trees on Track, the Thomas Comes to Breakfast back drop house thing from the 2002 pack, and this dock. And finally, we have custom destinations. This painted building that I made with stickers and paint, Tidmouth Station, side buildings for Knapford, Crovan's Gate, I did the station and platforms, Master of Lemons made the roof, Master of the Lemons, I should say, Henry's Tunnel, including this divot to represent the landslide that happens in Centenary, this lighthouse, which I have painted, it's just simply painted over to make it red instead of blue, and this custom turntable made by Master of the Lemons. And with that, that concludes the Destination Collection video. This is Train King James signing off.